3 branch ward unit, each unit. We are coming together to do the conference together. Like this of you, have at of you, I'm going for you. We have at right. So that once in 6 months we meet again. We see ourselves, we visit ourselves, how you doing, brother? So they just talk the word of God through that's follow Jesus Christ.
I will call it a wrap. Okay.
So when you just go, you see everywhere say
I go try come.
You know say my church now in Igbo church.
Mm.
And now Igbo church, church. Don't go on the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. From US.
That's
South
good.
Lake, Utah. In case you in fact, you go like now that kind of church.
Did they explain and where?
Yes. I don't know how to explain them, where you go understand.
Okay.
When did they tell me say I go love the church, I say I lie. Not until me self come they follow say wow.
That's good. I go try come. I go try come. As I relaxing my hair. When I relax my hair last safe.
Don't be that braid where we do. That knotless.
Where I go, where I travel. Before I travel, abi.
Yes.
I can't come back. I no relax, happy.
No. When you come back, you say you don't want to relax. Okay, you did the weaving.
That time no be last year. Maybe October. Abi November.
That was Christmas.
At was Christmas, abi.
Which time you travel? Maybe in October.
You guys know October, November. So this my hair don't do for how many months now?
Oh, did we do any of that hair that time? No. We don't do any except this.
So I'm gonna say November, because I'm close to Christmas. Abi na early January. I don't can remember. But I know say don't pass 4 months. Okay, I'm gonna say November. December, January, February, March, April. Then 5 months. My sister. I don't even know what's with the hairstyle where they record ourselves. You guys, I had to make my hair. So I saw one hairstyle like that on TikTok. And the girl said she used, is it pixie coils? She used pixie coils, she na bohemian, not be bohemian. Abi, what did she call them? I will leave it on the screen anyway. That was what she used. But you can get other products of anything coilish, like all this packet hair, weave-on, all those kind of things. I mean, I don't have money to spend on that kind of thing now. And I even forgot that I had a coily weave-on at home. So the hairstyle is half sewing, and the front, they did it like cornrows in front. So yeah, when I'm done, I'll show you how the hair looks like. But anyway, I'm using this my weave-on. This my weave-on is coily, and this is the length. I don't know what inches is this, I can't remember, but I know I've had it for a while. And I just usually plait it like this to retain the coils. So I have 4 of it. It's not that much, but she'll make do. Because I usually use this for a full hair, and it used to be very coily and bouncy. So this is what we're going to do, and I'll show you how it looks at the end anyway. That's what I'm doing right now. I've not picked up my camera for a long time. Like, I'm just tired to vlog. God help me. Sometimes I just used to forget that I have YouTube somewhere. And my sister is around, so I've just been entertaining them. And I've just been busy bonding and nothing much. And then I'm getting some work done, editing at the same time. See what my son did.
What's this?
After he has painted the whole house, she is saying, does this thing not deserve beating? Serious slap. And I want to use small spirit and wipes to wipe it to clean off. And that's what I'm doing. I'll update you guys.
Is it 2 you're using for
This is another head I have. I did this thing myself. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see it. You have to scroll way back to say I did it. Normal hairband this thing now. I did it myself. And this one too, I did it into, not this one. I did it into one black band too. It's also on my Instagram. But I usually use it for ponytail. Again, I don't know the name of this hair too, but I shall know they are there. And I don't really make my hair because I rarely go out. And yeah, that's the update of what's going on in my life right now. Talk to you guys later.
God, I suppose give her my word. I beg you, try. I hope say no be this one wey break. You don't cook the rice finish. See me see problem o. Where you dey? I don't even know say the thing in Nigeria because all my mind was that it's an abroad something. I say yeah. I said so this is
Before you know, the news busted the next day.
Jesus. Okay, just
In the tell my husband because he supposed do solar. So in the tell my husband say na there money dey. Say so in dey expect am. Na him dem say your money dey for where? Na him dey explain the thing give my husband. My husband say all those things na scam. All those things na scam.
So we don't break now. Why break?
I tell you.
Na scam o. Na so they take $60. $65.
Yeah, get up.